Okay, we'll try to understand the second example now. Okay, we'll try to write the K-map for this particular truth table. I have just changed some bits here compared to the previous example. Okay, as I have taught you, so first we are supposed to write like this. Okay, so towards the left side you are taking A, and towards the right side you are taking B and C. So now your A can take either 0 or 1, your B, C can take either 0, 0 or 0, 1 or 1, 1 or 1, 0. You know why I am taking all those things I have already explained. Okay, now I will start numbering it. How to number this? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I will try to fill this whatever that is shown in the output side, that I will try to fill it in the 3 variable K-map. Now, okay. So now it is 1. The first combination is 1. Next is 0. Okay. Next is also 0. So this is the thing I have to write. I shouldn't write it here. You have to write it here. The second combination. And the third combination is 1. And coming to the fourth combination, it is 1. Coming to the fifth combination, it is 1. Coming to sixth, it is 0. This is sixth and this is seventh. Okay. So this is how, while filling the bits in the truth, while filling the bits in the K-map is also very important. If you are just writing 0 instead of 1 here, then it would be wrong. Whatever you are working out, it will be completely wrong. Okay. If you are doing correctly, you will be getting the complete marks. If you are making a simple mistake, then you will not be getting a single mark also. Okay, that's why I will be telling that this particular subject is a scoring subject, and again you will be losing the maximum marks if you are not following the rules properly. Okay, fine. Let us not go according about the marks and all. Try to understand the concept, enjoy the subject, then you will understand in a better way. Okay, so now how many, as I have told you, either you have to go for octet or octal, or either you have to go for quad, or either you have to go for pair or isolated one. Okay, or either you have to go for isolated one. Now let me go for octet. Is there 8 number of ones in this particular K-map? No, there are only 5 number of ones. Now coming to the squad, so is there 4 number of ones? Yes, the 4 number of ones are there, but it is not in a box form, or it is not in a you cannot just pair however you want. Okay, if you are just pairing all these things, then you cannot get any of the expression. There is no rules according to it. So therefore what you have to do is you can eliminate the quad group also. Okay, you can eliminate the quad group because there are no 4 ones continuously. Okay, there is no 4 ones continuously or in the box format. Okay, next come to pair. Yes, obviously I can go for pair. So what are all the pairs? So these 2 ones I can pair it, and these 2 ones I can pair it, and these 2 ones or these 2 ones, anything. So let me do like this. It is left to the user. Look. So these 2 things I have paired. So this is left out, right? This is left out. Okay, and again I should not go for isolated one because you have the possibility to map this one, or you can include this one into the pair group. So whether I have to go for this pairing or whether I have to go for this pairing, anything is okay. Okay, it is left to the user. Either you can go for this pairing or either you can go for this pairing. Okay, but you have to go for pair. Okay, so I will go for this pair. I will go for this pair. So what will be the answer now? What will be the answer? So I will just write down the expression for this particular pair. Okay. So now I grow this group vertically. If I am growing that group vertically, if any of the bits gets cancelled, no, 0, 0 is with respect to B and this 0 is with respect to C. So therefore I have to write it as B bar and C bar. Okay, B bar and C bar. So whenever I am growing this group towards horizontally, it will be mapping both 0 and 1 of variable A. So therefore 0 and 1 will get cancelled, though I no need to write A variable in this particular expression. Next, come to this group, come to this pair. Okay, again I will be growing this group vertically. if I am growing this group vertically, which bits are mapped? It is mapping with respect to 1 and 1, and that 1 and 1 is nothing but BC, right? BC. So therefore, I write it as BC, not B bar C bar, because it is 1 1, not 0 0. Now come to this particular case, very important. Come to this particular case. So just grow this group vertically. If I am growing this group vertically like this, what are the bits are getting mapped? It is mapping with respect to 0 0 and 0 1. So now which are the variables will get cancelled? So either B or C. So 0 0 is written like that only, that is 0, and this 0 is getting changed to 1. So therefore C variable will get cancelled and your B will remain like that only, that is 0. So therefore I have written it as B bar. I have written it as B bar. I repeat once again, if I am growing this group horizontal vertically like this, so it will be mapping with these two positions, with these two bits. Okay, so 0 is not getting changed to 0, so therefore I am writing it as B bar. So 0 is getting changed to 1, so therefore I should not write C there. Okay, next coming to this way, if I am growing this particular group towards the left side, that is horizontally, it will be mapping 1 of A. So therefore I have written it as A here. Okay, so finally your expression would be y is equals to A into B bar plus BC. So this is your simplified format. This is your simplified expression. Understood? Understood or not? Understood, right? Okay, take down this.